Okay, I'm recording this video to show you the issue that we have with this Casio PX-850. The issue is that when you hit the A5 key, it makes a popping sound. Do that. Okay, and you see that the sound would be louder if you hit the key harder. So you can try it. And if you hit it like in a softer way, then the sound would be lower. But we can't hear that because it's so low now. And the same thing happens for A flat on the same octave, on A flat 5. Okay. And I believe the sound comes from the left speaker only, huh? Is it? Or
yeah.
is it both?
So the popping's from the left, and there's sort of like a whooshing. There's some other noise as well, but the popping's mainly from the left. It's
From the left
right.
speaker, yeah. To prove that it's not related to the physical key, we can shift the octave. Can you do the octave shift? So now
it's
test the same key. Yeah.
Yeah. So this would be A4 right now, in the same spot as A5 before.
Works well. Works well. Okay. Now
A5 where it is now. Still popping.
Okay. So something is defective with the synthesize portion of the processor. So it's not about the key, because when we shift the keys, the issue shifts as well. So it's about the way that the processor tries to synthesize the frequency to send it out. And it's only on those two keys. And again, the popping sound comes from the left speaker mainly, and another unusual thing comes from like a whooshing sound from the right speaker.
And it's only with the piano noises, so it's only with the piano, like concert, modern, classic, mellow, and bright, not with any
Oh, yeah, you're right. Harpsichord, violin, the others are all fine. So with piano group voices, the processor is making this glitch, this issue. Thank you.